the information so we can get things in tip-top shape. The best way to film this, I'm not sure. Just to slowly look around. I'm sure the suspension probably needs some upgrading. Here's the water pump. Oh, you can see a leak, I think. It could have been where I tried to put the oil in and spilt it. The power went out in the Jeep, which is believed to be because of the filter being connected to the belt, timing belt in the engine. So when that gets repaired and replaced, it should resolve that problem. The fuses are supposedly good, so not sure. And I need a new radiator. He said it was a small leak at the top and at the bottom. Beautiful people. You see I'm got my Echo Flow and my Jeep Life, and I just wanted to give a quick little introduction. I am 50 plus and I'm currently residing in California. I was traveling before I got sick and had an emergency while I was traveling. So once I was able to actually get myself back home to California, all hell bust loose, and we were in the middle of a pandemic. My mother had passed, my aunt, and everything had changed. So what I found while I was sitting in my Jeep was peace. I was able to just sit, nobody called, nobody bothered me, and I could just think. I found that I was able to do my yoga, my Tai Chi, my everything, just sitting right here in my Jeep. So that's where I've been, just sitting in my Jeep, trying to get my vehicle fixed. The guy kept the money, trying to get my vehicle fixed at the dealership, and they had me there 7 hours and did not fix the vehicle, and then was going to try to keep my little change. So it's been a journey. And that's basically what I am going to start talking about on my channel, is my Jeep life, just general lifestyle. Normally I'll have a mask on, may or may not wear shades, may have my hair done, not sure. But I thought that I should just really start telling my story, because I think a lot of people can benefit from it. I know that times are difficult for more than just myself and for others, and I have somehow found a way to have peace regardless of what all has taken place. So I'm pretty grateful to be back home here in California, and I'm looking forward to adventuring out and checking out some of our state parks and taking footage of that and sharing it with you. And I love the outdoors, so I'm going to be doing quite a few little videos on different favorite spots. I haven't been there in a while because, like I said, I was out of town, I was traveling, I did study abroads, and I have not been home here in California to really see what all has changed. So I'll Fasting and intermittent fasting is a great way to handle your stress levels and your concerns for food shortages. How to have peace with credit, auto pay, and pay before the billing cycle ends. Okay, so I'm comparing the price of the Nostalgia Mini Personal Skillet, my mini skillet. And as you can see, QVC costs $15.99, and at Amazon it's $14.99. And Walmart also carries it for $14.99. So I personally prefer QVC, especially if I'm on a budget, because I can separate my payments into 5. Even though $15.99 is a really good price, I can split that up in several payments to make it a little bit more affordable for me. So QVC has currently 4 easy pays of $4. So they will deduct that each month off of your credit card or debit card. QVC has a great selection of on-the-road gadgets for on-the-road cooking. So I'm testing out my new little mini skillet, and currently I just have water in there. just wanted to see how hot it gets. And it is hot to the touch. So wherever you're going to be cooking, if you don't have on cooking gloves or mittens or something, it will burn your hands. So you want to place it somewhere that you can safely cook without burning your hands. Now, of course, this little knob here keep you from burning your hands, so you can lift it. You can also cook inside this little base. Look at that, that's pretty neat. And it gets hot. It heats up very fast. I think it's pretty neat. It's not that big. Of course, it looks bigger on the picture. So, I like it. I think it's pretty neat. Most of my gadgets that I've purchased from QVC, I've been pretty happy with. Look at that. Oh yeah. So quickly that started boiling. So that was less than a minute. So I can make a poached egg, or I can fry something, or what have you. Pretty neat. So I'm cooking in my little mini skillet, and it took me less than 2 minutes to prepare today's lunch. Look at her, 167. All right, as you can see that it has charged 100%. However, it's still showing that there's time left. As you can see where it says hours, minutes, and so forth, it tells you how much more time until it's completely 100% charged. So I'm going to leave it on the charge until it hits the 00, showing that there's nothing in additional that needs to be charged, that it's fully 100%. So until it gives me the 00, I'm going to keep it plugged in until I get that full 100%. Alrighty, so I'm looking at 100%. And so now it's fully charged. As you see the zeros, and then it says the 99. So there's nothing left. It's 100% charged. And that was under an hour.
This is the Crenshaw Farmers Market in South LA, operated by the Sustainable Economic Enterprises of Los Angeles, also known as SeeLA. SeeLA is a nonprofit organization that bridges food access to Angelenos all across the city. SeeLA opened the Crenshaw Farmers Market on November 14, 2009, and for the last 12 years, it's been open every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., rain or shine. You'll find a huge selection of organic produce, natural food, and some tasty snacks, all by local farmers and vendors.
Hey, I found some great deals and great values at our local 99 Only store. And even though I'm not quite a prepper in these days, what I do find is the things that I need, and I don't need a lot. So at my favorite 99 Only store, I can find the items that I need at a great price that fits my budget. So I invite all of you to shop at the 99 Only store for the great deals and great values, just like I do. Save your money, save the time, save your dime, because you can find it all at the 99. Enjoy!